So I think we are live now. Yep, everything is working properly. So hello students and welcome back to bankexamstoday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and this is the 14th session of SEBI Grade A 2020 live quiz session that I do on YouTube. And today I'm going to take up commerce and accounting, very important topic I'm going to do. So let's just start. So hello students and welcome back to bank. Yep, everything is working properly. So let me just share this live session on my Telegram channel and let everybody know that we are live now. Okay, so let's start the session, student, with the very first question. Which of the following statements are true about the issue of bonds, bonus shares? So what are bonus shares? Hanji? Seriously, man. So which of the following statements are true about the bonus shares? So what are bonus shares, students? Let me just start for a moment. Just give me a minute. Hello. No. So let's just start now. Which of the following statements are true about the bonus shares? Bonus shares increases the liquidity in the stock. Bonus issues can be made from the capital redemption reserve. So which of the following statements are true regarding the bonus share? What are the bonus share first of all? Suppose you are the investor of the company, right? And let's say the share of MRF, or let's say you are a shareholder of MRF, right? You are a shareholder of MRF, right? You have, let's say, 10 shares, right? Because you are a long-standing shareholder of MRF, MRF is giving you 10, let's say 5 shares for each 10 shares you have, right? So that is a bonus share. That's why it is known as a bonus, right? So the bonus shares increases. Do the bonus share increases the liquidity in the shares? Yes, it increases the marketability. As the bonus shares are issued, what happens is the price of shares decreases, right? So as the price of the share decreases with a similar amount, the marketability increases, the liquidity increases, and the bonus shares issue can be made from capital redemption reserve. Both are correct. Both. So A is the correct answer. Both are correct. Liquidity improves because the price of security decreases, the liquidity improves, and it can be issued from the capital redemption reserve. So let's move forward. If you know the correct answer, just Sir Ram. Chalo. Let's move forward to the question number 2. Somebody is asking, do you have the course? Yes, we have the course for SEBI Grade A. The links is available in the description. So if the shares are offered to the promoters of a company, so if you are from commerce or the finance background, this is literally very easy for you. The journal entries are easy, but if you don't know the journal entries, it's okay actually. So if shares are issued, see students, who are the promoters, who starts the company, who takes the initiative. So the company, they give some shares to the promoter. They give away some shares to the promoter for the hard work that they put in starting up the company and doing his hard work, right? So if shares are offered to the promoters of a company, which of these account is debited? So you need to understand this journal entry. There is an incorporation expense. Incorporation expense is debited and promoter is credited, and then promoter is credited and the share capital is credited, right? So all in all, you can cut out this entry. So incorporation expenses account is debited and share capital account is credited, right? So this expense is moved to the incorporation expenses. So incorporation expenses is the correct answer. At some point of time, it is also some people also preliminary expense, incorporation expense or preliminary expense. So both are sort of same. Incorporation expenses or preliminary expenses. Okay. Which of these items is recorded under cash flow from operating activities? First of all, there are 3 kind of we can divide the cash flows in 3 different parts. For example, you produce pens. For example, you produce pen, the ball pen, you produce ball pen. All the activities that are related to sale and purchase of ball pens is an operating activity. Are you getting it? All the activities relating to purchase and sale, purchase of raw material, purchase of plastic, paying of labor, all that is an operating activity. You are paying off your labor, you are paying off carriage inward, and you are getting money from your debtors, from your customers. They are buying the ball pens, right? So that is operating activity. Now you bought anything that is not related to the ball pens, anything that is non-related to your current asset. So let's say you have some spare cash. So you have a lot of spare cash with you. You made sales, you got like crores of spare cash with you. You invested that cash in, let's say, bonds, okay. Or let's say you invested that money in land, you bought equipment, expensive, anything non-current. Include cash activities related to non-current asset, which is not used in day-to-day. I mean, that is non-current asset. That is investing activity. You bought plant, you bought machinery. That is investing activity. Okay. So the cash generated and cash spent on sale of land, all these are included in this. So now the last one, the financing activity. To run your business, you need the capital. You need capital. So the activities that are related to that financing. Okay, you are paying the interest, you took the loan, long-term loan, the stock sales, the dividend payment, all that is part of financing activity. So these are three kinds of cash flow activities: operating, investing, and financing. You make pens, you make ball pens. Okay, so everything that is related to the ball pen, that is operating activity. The activities that are related to non-current assets, you bought investment, you bought a land, you bought properties, that is investing activity. Financing, as the name suggests, you financed your business and anything that is related. I mean, even the proprietor's capital, that is also financing, right? So business and the person, the business is a different entity, okay, from the proprietor or the whoever the is running it. Okay, so three cash flow activities. Okay, now let's move back to which of these items. If you're unable to understand anything, let me know. Okay, sir, when the new topics is getting uploaded in economics, management, commerce? Yes, we are going to complete the syllabus within the stipulated time. Okay, so we are working really hard on that. So let's move forward. Somebody is asking how many questions were there in the Indian SO course. Please check. I mean, we have already prepared a proper, we have done a proper blog post. We made the proper, the paper, the previous paper for that. It's available on bankexamstudy.com. Okay, let's move forward. Which of these items are recorded under the cash flow from operating activities? Let's say you produce pens, the sales tax, the advance received from customers, advertisement expenses. So all of these, you are making pens to sell those pens, you are spending money on advertisement, sales tax is there, okay, and advances received from customer. All that are really related to the pen that you produce and sell. So all of these is a correct answer. So third answer is all of these. If market price of a share X is 150 rupee, book value is 100 rupee, and EPS is 75 rupee, you need to calculate the price earning ratio. First of all, you should know what is the formula to calculate PE ratio. PE ratio, market price per share divided by earning per share. So as the name suggests, PE. So P stands for price, market price. P stands for market price of share. Market price of share. E stand for earning per share. Earning per share. So earning per share. So market price divided by market price of share 150 rupee, earning per share 75 rupee per share. So 2 is the PE ratio. 2 is the PE ratio, which is the correct answer. If the share is issued at premium and has been forfeited, what is forfeited? See students, when the shares are issued, in the beginning there is application money, right? Application money could be like 30%, 40%, that of total, amount of shares that you're going to purchase. And then there is call money, right? Then there is call money to get the rest of that, the value of shares that the amount that the investors they need to pay, right? So in case an investor does not pay the call money, the rest of the money that he needs to pay, then what will happen? His share would be forfeited or taken back. He won't be a shareholder at all. That जब्त कर लेना हिंदी में कहते हैं, ठीक है? So securities premium account can be debited upon forfeited if premium has not been received. Premium amount has been received, will not be debited in under any case, will always be debited during the forfeiture. So security premium account what can be debited if the premium has not been received. If premium has not been received, under only that case security premium account cannot be debited. If the security premium account is not credited at all at any point of time, if the security premium account is not credited at any point of time, then there is no point of debiting it. उसमें गया ही नहीं तो निकालोगे कैसे, right? So if it is not there, it has never been credited, then what's the point of debiting it? It's not, there is no point. So A is the correct answer. So premium amount has never been received. So which of these items is unmatched? Which of these items is matched under incorrect head? Which of these items is matched under an incorrect head? So goodwill purchased is an investing activities, bonus shares, no cash flow. So interim dividend operating activity, or issue of preference shares is a financing activity. So which of the items are matched correctly? Goodwill purchase. Let me know the correct answer from the students. So if you know the correct answer, just let me know in the super chat. I'm waiting. So so just tell me the correct answer. So let me know which of these items is unmatched under an incorrect head. Cash flow statement. Goodwill purchased is investing. Bonus shares issued. No cash flow. Interim dividend paid. Operating issue. If you know the correct answer, just let me know. Just let me know. Okay. Just let me know. Somebody said bonus issued, shares issued is no cash flow. It is correct. Okay. There is no cash flow. It cannot be the answer. Okay. So which of these is the correct answer? Interim dividend paid. Is it an operating activity? Interim dividend paid. It is a financing activity. Interim dividend falls under the financing activity. So rest of them are correct. Okay. So interim dividend is an operating activity. It is not an operating activity. It is a financing activity. The statement given below related to accounting standard investment. If an investment is acquired fully, partly by issue of shares. So an investment acquired by the exchange of shares. It is not paid by money but it is paid by the issue of shares. The acquisition cost shall be par value of such securities. So is it possible? Acquisition cost shall be at par value of such securities. Profit loss made on disposal of current investment is recorded in the profit and loss account. Second one is actually correct. The second statement is correct, but the first statement is false because acquisition cost is a fair value of the security. Acquisition cost is a fair value of the security, not the nominal value of the security. It should be the fair value or the market value of the security, not the nominal value. The marketable value of the security. That is acquisition cost. So Z forfeited, Z is a company, Z, nowadays people say Z, forfeited 200 shares of rupee 10 each, rupees 7 called up and rupees 4 paid up. The forfeited account, shares account would be credited by how much? So rupees 7 was called up and rupees 4 was paid up. What would be the general entry? So share capital account was already credited, but you need to debit the share capital account because rupees 1400, that complete 1400 rupees is going to be forfeited because rupees 800 is the money rupees 800 is the money that is forfeited, and rupees 600 is a unpaid call money. So total 1400. So 600 is the unpaid call, and forfeited 800 to be transferred to forfeited shares account, and 600 to the unpaid calls. Okay. So 800 is the correct answer. That is to be forfeited account would be credited by 800 and 600 to the unpaid calls. If asset value, if the asset is equal to 10 lakh rupee and shareholders fund is 4 lakh, then the equity multiplier, very simple formula. Equity multiplier is equal to asset divided by shareholders equity. So 10 lakh divided by 4 lakh, it is 2.5x. Very important. Equity multiplier, assets divided by the shareholders fund. So it is 2.5. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. So my name is Ramandeep Singh and I teach online on bankexamstudy.com. You can follow my course on bankexamstudy.com. My courses are all the courses are available on bankexamstudy.com. In the SEBI grade I am providing video classes, notes, test series. All the notes are downloadable. You can access the course from your mobile device via mobile application or from the laptop or desktop browsers. We have a proper dashboard there. You can access all the previous videos as well. So in SEBI Grade A 2018, we got 9 final selection. Descriptive paper evaluation is also provided. You can just join the course on bankexamstudy.com. This is a list of students who cracked the exams using our study material: IBPS, RRB, GBO, Bank of Baroda, Wealth Management, NABARD Grade A. All these successful students, they used our study material and they finally cracked their respective exams, and I'm really happy for them. You can be one of them, right? So if you like the way I teach, the link to my full course is available in the description. Please subscribe the channel. That's really important for me. And like this video, that's also very important to me. And follow my Telegram channel. Name of my Telegram channel is Bank Exam Study. So follow me on Bank Exam Study on Telegram. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. So if there is any doubt, let me just check the doubts. Let me just check the doubts if you have any. Today's question were really unique and helpful. Thank you, Saurav. So that's all for today, students. That's all. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. Good day. Good night, actually. Bye.